In this video we're going to look at properties of a square. So the first thing really to know is that all four sides are of equal length. We normally denote that with a line through them. Second property that you probably already know is that all four angles are equal to 90 degrees, i.e. they're all right angles. So let's put those in there. All the same and all 90 degrees. Second, we have two pairs of parallel sides. So these two are parallel and these two are parallel. Next property, it has four lines of symmetry. So let's put them on. We have the one down the middle. We have the one across it. One going from that diagonal to diagonal. And the other one going from the other diagonal. So it has four lines of symmetry. Next property, it has rotational symmetry of order 4. Let's see how that works. So let's start this extra square on the top. Let's see how many times it fits over itself until the dot comes back to the top. So we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's the four rotational symmetry of order 4. And the last property of a square we're going to look at is that the diagonals meet at right angles and split into equal sections. So a diagonal is when you draw a straight line from one corner to the opposite corner, like that one there, and the other diagonal would be this one here. Now what you should be able to see is that where the two diagonals meet, they form right angles, and each of these four line segments are exactly the same size.